Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to order a translation for an Excel file using MotaWord's Quote Wizard. To get started, simply upload your Excel file to our website, where you will be guided through a few easy steps to choose the service you need. In this case, we will proceed with Professional Translation Service. Our system will give you two options. You can either translate the entire document or customize which columns you want to translate. We'll go with the second option. Using AI, our system will automatically determine the headers that will not be translated, as well as the columns that are for context and those that are for translation. You can change these if necessary. Finally, you can manually select which languages you want the content to be translated into and which you want to skip. If you have any style guides or glossaries, you can upload them at this stage as well. Next, you'll get a summary of all the languages you've selected for translation. Then just add your contact information and our system will instantly provide you with a quote showing the price and the estimated turnaround time. After that, you can proceed with payment using a credit card or a payment code if needed. And once the payment is confirmed, our team of professional translators will immediately start working on your project to deliver high-quality results as quickly as possible. Try it now on MotaWord and experience fast professional translation at your fingertips.